So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw into your picture on the Photoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then go to your homepage by tapping on the home icon down below, which is the first option. After that, at the top of the screen, you can see this Start Creating section and tap on the Edit Photo icon. Then select a picture that you want to edit. Now slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find the brushes icon and tap on it. Click on Doodle and select the color. You have a vast variety of options here. After selecting the color, then start drawing to your picture. Here you can select the size of your tool. As you can see, the scale from 0 to 100, and you can also use its or select its opacity on this scale, and you can erase it by tapping on the erase button down below. Change its color anytime you want to, and if you go back, you can also use this magic brush. If you tap on the brush tip icon down below, you can choose from these tips, and if you want to apply any of these, just tap on the relevant one and then start drawing onto your picture, as you can see, by adding these icons. So you have many options that you can choose from. If you want to save your picture, just simply click on the check mark icon down below, and now you are done with your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.